Oh, look, it's Justin Napier and Brendan Greaves. Wow!
Big.
How's that for an intro? Great. This is your co-host, Eric Moen, with your
Main host, Jeremiah.
Side main host, Preston Llewellyn.
Man, we really messed that up.
side main.
Side
Got a
main.
side
Side main
main.
host?
We're just going to show you a bunch of raw footage today. This is Drake Burris. Look at that sick slow-mo shot. Ooh, this is the first time watching this footage. So we're going to just talk about it as we see it. It's Tyler Berry and JJ Fano? I'm sorry, bro. I fucked up your name.
R's and N's are pretty close if you're drawing that.
Yeah, they look the same if you're drunk, too. Oh, man. So this is LSFest Sunday FUNDAY, and, nobody really cared about getting close. No one was battling each other for points. Everyone was just running what left of tires they had or playing with suspension updates. Look, Cody Martin chasing down Nathan St. John. Maybe it is Nathaniel St. Timothy John. Who knows? I don't know. He's a really cool kid, though. Cody parks it on last inner clip. Nate kind of choked him off there. Here's me leading Brendan Greaves. Man, I love his car. It's so fun hearing that thing pop and bang in your side door there. Whee.
Just right-hand drive.
Yeah. Brendan's from Aussie. He's a killer driver. The land of Oz.
British Texas.
Texas.
Oh, I don't know who this guy is. Who's this guy? Oh, this is Eric Moen. This is that guy. So we're playing with Ackerman settings all day. As you can see, the car is a lot more smooth, less twitchy as it was in our other videos of LSFest. This will be the finest LSFest recap video. But we played with Ackerman, and throughout this practice day, we start playing with grip in the rear end, putting on bigger tires, dropping tire pressures, making a slight toe change, and the car starts driving a hell of a lot better, as you'll see. So we're about a quarter of the way into this video, and I'm going to shut the fuck up and let my buddies tell you here about what they thought.
I think Sunday FUNDAY was definitely the day that we got the best driving because everybody wasn't afraid to throw it out. It was a lot less conservative style, along with the adjustments that us as a team made on the car. I should say Eric to shut up. But with the adjustments that were made, there's a lot more of aggressive, faster driving style, and along with just other drivers that were more confident to put it up on the door. So definitely fun day.
I wasn't even there, so you guys got. But from what I heard, Eric texted me the next morning. He was like, all caps, I think it was. He was like, the car did so much better. I wish you would have seen it. So now it's.
Oh, look at that.
Looking at it on video, you can definitely tell it is performing better. Wow.
Oh, he just tapped the bumper. See that?
The comment that I made before is that Eric's catch-up speed is just ridiculous. I don't know if it was the adjustments that were made on the car, or if he just naturally drives like that. There's me being incoherent speaking because I can't focus. But Eric's catch-up speed is insane. If he's a car length behind, he can somehow manage to get caught back up.
I don't know if I can catch that.
Wow.
Brendan Greaves is a fucking savage in that car. I love it.
All those people that were standing on the fence beside me when I was taking, like, you were sitting right there in the lot, like everybody that was sitting there was like, they were like, oh my God, it's killing me, it's so loud. He just do it on purpose.
So awesome. So this might be the fun part. This is before we swap tires, but there's some interesting stuff I know coming up. I'm sure you got it on film. This is Chris Anderton Holt. He's a teammate of Cosmic Garage. Joined forces with them here just before LSFest, and couldn't be happier. Do our first runs together officially as team members, and as you can see, like, we're doing all right. He went a little shallow there to catch up, and I still pulled back away from him a little bit. But we're getting into the pocket here, the tighter section of the course, which is fun. Inner clip 1, inner clip 2. We're both on like pretty much cash tires, and we knew it. We both come out on some fresh Zek Novas here. I think the next battle after this. Chris got a little 5.3, like 300,000 mile motor with a cam. some nitrous that ended up not working.
Yeah, we put nitrous on for oil changes.
We put the nitrous on for Saturday for fun, and it didn't work. Yeah, so this is fresh tire right here. So we went to some Zecnovas to try, and so did Chris. I think he was on a 255 or 65 VR Zecnova or something, whatever. And I had a 285 Super Sports that I got to try. You can tell the car is a lot more gripped up, had a lot more in it. Here we go, this is fresh tire, just trying to go with it.
I'm excited to see a lot more of Chris in the future.
Same.
Because we're going to be, I mean, pretty much every time that we go somewhere, he's been there. So.
There was a stick entry, but then I choked on it. Not sure why.
As I was mentioning earlier, I mean, you're already caught back up at this point. Just a little bit behind, but not as far back as it was originally.
You know how hard it is to see through those tires to smoke? Chris and I were talking after this specific run. He's like, him and Lisa are in his car, and he couldn't see nothing once I got into the power. He's like, he slapped his visor down right before outer 2 and just prayed.
I got the thumbnail from that run, actually.
So you can tell, like, we're getting the car dialed in, we're figuring it out, we're carrying a lot more speed through the course, starting to put the car in all the right places. Like, the hindsight of watching this sucks, because if I had made them changes or I knew better beforehand, I feel like we could have done better qualifying, we could have ran our battles a lot better, and maybe even seen a better result in the weekend potentially. But you know, that's hindsight's always 20/20, right? So we can do that next year and see what's going on.
I think it was really cool to see that there was actually a lot more cars out there than just LS Swap 240SXs and normal, but not that I'm complaining.
Looks like I tapped the wall a second time, just didn't even feel it.
Pretty close, if you didn't.
Well, this would have been such a great qualifying run right here. Maybe a little bit closer on inner 2, and I would have nailed a pretty good run on that one. I have a feeling. What's your thoughts? It looks a lot better than it did, huh?
I think so, yeah. I agree. Well, it's just like we talked about, you mentioned the changes the night before. Everybody was like, I remember who it was. Somebody's like, what are you even talking about? He's talking about changing the acronym. He's like, it's just going to help. I just think it's going to, and it looks like it has.
It definitely helped. It took the twitch out of the wheel.
Did it help with the self-steer issue you were having?
Yeah, self-steer and all the twitching in the wheel went away. And just be able to hold it where I wanted it and just drive it with the rear end from there. You can see it, the car's not twitching like crazy. This is a spin out run. We're gonna end the video with a boof. Glad y'all like our videos. Please like, subscribe, share, comment your shit at us. Tell us what you want to see more of, and we'll see you later.